As we are getting closer to the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra, we are getting some amazing news regarding the S23 Ultra display, and to some people, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with a flat display and to some it will be curved. Let's see which one is true. Before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, as per multiple reports, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with much flatter display than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but you guys don't know the details of it, as this new display is not completely flat, where exynos clear things up, as according to him, S23 Ultra middle frame is initially connected to the glass, which is friendly to the hand, and he also confirms the other leak was wrong, where the render shows complete flat display. Instead, we did get some sort of curve on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, ever so slightly, but yes, there is a small curve on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So everyone who like curve and who don't will be happy to get the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Getting this much flat display will help S23 Ultra to be more durable. Let me know in the comments, S22 Ultra curved display or S23 Ultra less curved display, which one would you guys prefer? According to new leaks, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with 256GB version as a base model. This was leaked before, but now it is confirmed by Ahmed. Also, he shared we are going to get S23 Ultra in 12GB of RAM and 3 storage options, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB version. Let me get things clear, he didn't share the Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with 8GB of RAM. But as per Geekbench score, S23 Ultra will going to come with 8GB of RAM as a base model. So 2 memory options, 8GB and 12GB. If you opt for S23 and S23 Plus, then you guys will only get 8GB of RAM, no 12GB available. The special feature or a thing we are going to get on the Galaxy S23 Ultra exclusively is its overclocked CPU and GPU. The Snapdragon Gen 2, which is overclocked at 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19 on the normal Snapdragon Gen 2. Things we need to keep in mind that this new processor has 40% more power efficient CPU and 45% more power efficient GPU. So you guys will get a really good battery backup on the S23 Ultra compared to S22 Ultra, as both phones shares the same battery, 5000 mAh and same charging speed at 45 watt. Samsung will going to launch S23 Ultra in a special event on 1st of Feb 2023 earlier than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and Samsung will going to offer some great PR deals. If you want to see the real 200MP camera sample of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.